Hello everyone, hope you are having a great time. Let us learn the vegetables in French today. The first one is tomato. La tomate. La tomate. La tomate. Next up is carrot. It is pronounced as la carotte. La carotte. La carotte. Up next is onions. It is l'oignon. 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 Onions. Then is cucumber. It is pronounced as le concombre. Le concombre. Le concombre. Up next is beetroot. It is la betterave. La betterave. La betterave. Up next is broccoli. It is le broccoli. Le broccoli. Le broccoli. Then we have cauliflowers. It is le chou-fleur. Le chou-fleur. Le chou-fleur. Then is cabbage. It is le chou. Le chou. Le chou. Up next is mushrooms. It is le champignon. Le champignon. Le champignon. Then is the spinach. It is les épinards. Les épinards. Les épinards. Up next we have corn. It is le mie. Le mie. Le mie. Then we have potatoes. It is la pomme de terre. La pomme de terre. La pomme de terre. Then we have capsicums. It is le poivron. Le poivron. Le poivron. Then we have radish. It is le radis. Le radis. Le radis. Then is lettuce. It is la laitue. La laitue. La laitue. That's it guys for today. Hope you all had a great time. See you all in the next lecture.